So we just had a little problem with our fuse box here. So the power points aren't working. So we've discovered that this old fuse isn't working. How you can tell is the wire is broken. So I need to disconnect this and this, which is easy enough done. Throw that away. So now I've got another piece of fuse wire. Thread that through here. Wind him around. And the other side. Keeping in mind this is an old style. We probably should upgrade and maybe
to
get
one like that.
To one like this one. The fuse wire, and now we just have to pop him back in, and then good to go. Next episode we will be getting a new one of these and putting it in. Thank you.